Hi, this video is about the StockEdge icon, stocks. A stock, or better known as equity, represents a part ownership of a company. Owning a stock entitles the owner to the company's assets and profits in proportion to the amount of stocks they own. Units of a stock is known as shares. On the StockEdge app, you will find in-depth analysis of every single listed company on the NSE and BSE. There are almost over 6,000 companies listed on both these stock exchanges combined. When you click on the stocks icon, the first page that you will see will contain a search bar. Here, you can type the name of any company you wish to research about. Selecting any stock will result in the company getting automatically added to your recent searches. So, you will not have to search the stock name again and can simply choose it from the list of your most recent searches. Clicking on any company after you search will take you to the price page of that company, where you can do an extensive study on both the fundamental and technical parameters of the stock. All the details you see here are updated every day by our expert team of analysts. So clicking on any stock would provide a 360-degree view where you can research price, charts, technicals, fundamentals, news, corporate actions, and much more. With so much data which is carefully churned into relevant information, we at StockEdge truly wants to empower you to stay ahead of the rest of the markets. Thank you for watching.